In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your GitHub job profile to indicate that you're not currently available for hire. This can be a useful setting to adjust if you're content with your current employment or if you're simply not looking for work at the moment. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to know where to look to make these changes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage these settings on your GitHub profile. Let's begin by navigating to the GitHub dashboard. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options available. From this menu, we're going to select Settings. This is where you can make various adjustments to your GitHub account, and today we'll be focusing specifically on your public profile settings. After selecting Settings, you'll find yourself on the Settings page. Here, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side, but our focus today will be under the Public Profile section. So go ahead and click on Public Profile. Once in this section, you'll want to scroll down until you find a subsection labeled Jobs Profile. In this area, you'll see an option that's marked Available for Hire, accompanied by a checkbox. If the box is currently checked, it means that your profile is publicly signaling that you're open to job opportunities. However, if you have chosen not to seek new employment opportunities at this time, you're going to want to uncheck this box. After unchecking the Available for Hire option, ensuring this change in your profile settings will be saved is a crucial step. Look for the Save Jobs Profile button, which is typically located towards the bottom of this section. Once you've spotted it, give it a click. By doing so, you're confirming the changes and ensuring your profile reflects your current job-seeking status. And just like that, you've successfully updated your GitHub profile to indicate that you are not available for hire. It's a small but mighty change that helps communicate your current employment status to any potential recruiters or collaborators who might be exploring your profile. Remember, you can always come back and update this setting in the future if your situation changes. In conclusion, managing your GitHub profile's job settings is a simple process that just requires a few clicks, but being in control of your professional visibility is invaluable. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Until next time,